Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're having problems with your Samsung ventless all-in-one washer and dryer combo unit drying your clothes fast, this right here, this might be your problem. I've made multiple videos on this before. This is the third time that I have emptied the lint out in just under 2 years. It's been a little over a year and a half, maybe like not 20 months, 21 months, something like that, give or take. In this video today, we're going to go over how to fix this. Now remember, if you will have a warranty on it, be sure you're calling Samsung support, because any modification, any taking apart could void your warranty, and we don't want to do that over just taking off 3 screws very carefully. Be sure to hit that like button for me, subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this one that help you fix your problems around your house. So I ran the super speed cycle recently. It showed that it was going to take almost 6 hours to run the super speed cycle in this ventless unit. We are going to take that loose, and there's a screw here, a screw here, a screw here, 2 clips on this side, and then a clip on that side. And the clips, they just snap loose. Just remember, these screws are not the same. See? Longer. See? Longer. And then take this one loose here. Now, remember, actually, I may have put them in backwards the last time. I think this is the small screw, and this one right here is the longer screw. So, yeah, small screw, long screw, long screw. Now, on here, on this side, there is supposed to be a clip that holds it in here, and you would push it forward. I broke it. Don't tell anybody. There's another one on the other side, on this side, that you would need to reach back in here and open it up. Okay, well, yeah, so I hope this doesn't produce a weird banding, but you can see the lint clog. You can see the lint clog down there. So it looks just like that left-hand side is just getting clogged with lint again. So it really just seems to be a common problem with these things. They're just getting lint build up in the back. I'm working on a solution. I don't know if it's going to work, but I have some really cool ideas. I'm going to figure something out for this. Maybe on their next generation, maybe Samsung can figure it out too. But I know there are a lot of people that have these and they are running into these issues. So I'm going to try to figure out a custom solution, for you guys, because you are my viewers, and I'm trying to fix this, and I'm going to try to figure out a way. I'm going to make it a multi-tiered approach. I know of 2 ideas I already have that I think I know would fix the problem, but I just don't know for sure yet. I haven't even really started, but I'm going based upon everything that I've seen so far on these units, basically. I can't share any more details with you right now because I don't want somebody else to take it and run with it, but I know that there's obviously a lint issue. Listen, I clean my lint filter out like every single time. It's just continuous buildup. All right, here's what we're gonna do. I am just going to reach down in here and pull this big chunk of lint out. That way you guys can see it for yourself. I mean, it's thick too. Like, it's not just, I don't know. We've just got all that lint built up back in there. And so also, I think you could take that hose free and able to get your arm back down in there. Yeah, see, that works a lot better. But, there's just a considerable amount of lint that is just like getting caught. It's just getting caught right there in the back. I mean, I would say over the last few years, this is the 3rd time that I've done this. looks like there's more. To put it all back together, you can see the areas this machine was getting really hot. I did some thermal imaging on it, but now that the lint is all taken care of, it should be a considerably lower temperature. And so we're gonna put this all back together. And if we're not having, if it doesn't fix the problem, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it all back apart and we're gonna fix it the right way. Now, not that this isn't the right way. All I'm saying is there may be more to your problem than just having that little bit of lint buildup there. So we got to make sure that we take care of the problem, right? We typically approach things in multiple steps because not everybody has the same problem. Now, whenever you screw this back in, it does need to be moderately tight, but you're not like over tightening it because remember, these are plastic connectors. So it's got a seal in there. It just needs to seal up. There should just be these 3 screws here. And there are 2 clips on this side and this side. Now with the same load of clothes I tested on the super speed cycle before, that was 5.5 hours. Now I'm getting 1 hour and 28 minutes on the super speed cycle. I could say that's a win-win. I'm not sure how it knows because it literally just started, but I guess it's checking airflow. I'm not really sure, but if this fix works for you, let me know down in the comment section below. I love you guys. Take care. That's how you put it back together. Don't forget to hit that like button for me. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this one where we're helping you guys fix problems around your house. And I'm really helping people try to figure out these units because they're so new and so complicated.